When you walk into a museum, what do you bring? Your own experiences, ideas, and biases. These bags shape the way you view the world. For example, picture the American flag. Was that not what you were expecting? What about this one? Or this one? Each of these icons is an American flag, but it's bound to a specific context or piece of history. Now recall your own experiences, ideas, and biases. Depending on those bags, you may have pictured a different flag, felt a different emotion. Sometimes our ideas of an object or a historical figure are true. Other times, not so much. And perhaps the truth lies somewhere in between. This is because when stories are told, when art is made, or textbooks are written, the icons and images we look at are imbued with the ideas of those who have passed them on. Suddenly, that American flag is no longer simply the flag of a nation. It's a symbol of freedom, victory, loss, change. That shift in meaning comes with a shift in context. On top of that, our personal experiences and inner voices add even more meaning to icons like the flag, contributing to a mythology. In this case, the mythology of the flag is made up of all the stories and depictions that have been shared since it was created in the 1700s. The flag's meaning and our feelings towards it are shaped by the stories we've been told, the art we've seen, and the textbooks we've read. At each of those points, our understanding collides with the experiences of other artists and storytellers, both living and gone. So now you know, you bring your own baggage to a museum. So did the person standing next to you. Your job now is to check those bags, figuratively, of course, and not just the bags related to the flag. After all, where there is art, there are stories. And where there are stories, there are myths. You may see things like this, maybe this, or this, even this. The point is, ideas will collide. Biases may be challenged, and it might not all be pretty. But when we learn to check our bags, we can better understand the bags that someone else carried before us.